Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Internet Guru. In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to open a Vanguard brokerage account. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, type Vanguard and head over to the official Vanguard website. Once the website loads, click on Open an Account. You'll see two options. Go ahead and click Get Started. Wait a moment for the page to load. Then click on Open a new account. Next, choose Open an investment account. On the following screen, select Invest on my own. Click Select your account, then click Open an account again. Now, you'll need to enter your personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once that's done, click Continue and your account setup will begin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from another Internet Guru.